How to get Meta AI on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to access and use Meta AI directly inside the Instagram app on your Android device. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. After that, tap on the search bar at the top and type in Instagram. From there, tap on Instagram from the search results to open its store page. At this point, if an update is available, you'll see an update button. Tap on it to install the latest version of Instagram. In the next step, wait for the update to finish downloading and installing on your device. Following this, open Instagram once the update is complete. Once done, tap on the message icon to go to your direct messages. From here, tap on any existing chat or start a new one. At this stage, tap on the text field and type @MetaAI to tag and activate Meta AI inside the chat. After this, type your question or request right after tagging it. For example, you can type @MetaAI, what's the weather like in New York today? And it'll respond instantly with an answer. Finally, Meta AI will reply directly in the chat, and you can keep the conversation going by tagging it anytime you need it. If Meta AI still doesn't appear after updating the app, it may not have rolled out in your region just yet. But as of now, most users should have access to it after getting the latest version, so just be patient and it should show up soon. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you find and use Meta AI, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.